Hey guys, so it's Christy here. Okay, I just want to do a disclaimer. Please do not mind my nails. I'm trying and waiting for them to fall off because I don't want to go back and get it done. I'm over it. It was just kind of too long for me. But yeah, just never mind my fingernails, okay? I'm just waiting for them to come off. So today we're gonna try to restore this bag. Here you see that it has a lot of wear on there, and I have already did a little bit on the bottom. I'm just gonna go, it says to wipe it after it's dry. Maybe the excess of the dye will come off, but I am using Kelly's it is a leather dye, colors instantly. This is the one I purchased this from Amazon. This is the only one that had good reviews that they will ship to Hawaii. Some things like the other ones, the one I was watching is Hadrian, they don't mail it or ship it to Hawaii. But for this one, it did have some good reviews, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and try. Never done it before. Use these other Kelly shoe products. It says to use all these other things, but I just bought the dye. In reality, we're just trying this out, and I did already just dye everything over, but I'm gonna see how it will work. Yeah, let me just take this little tag off. And I don't want to make this silver part, but you see there's a lot of wear there. I don't want this parts to become stain or anything. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but we'll just give it a try. Well, let's just start on this side. I just bought the dye. There was some good reviews on this one. Okay. So you see at this part, the ends are terrible. So we're just gonna go over it. Everything will be dyed black color. Okay, so now I'm gonna just let this dry for now. We'll come back. I'm gonna let that dry too. We'll come back. And this is how the bottom is looking. As you guys seen before, it was really like stained and dirty. I didn't go over to wipe it yet. This is just a finished product. I mean, this is just the next day when the dye soaked in, sorry. But I think it came out really, really good comparing to what it was. So yeah, but I didn't dye the handles, but it still looks all right. All right, leave me a comment down below if you guys like this little restoring my little baggy hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I did use this product here to dye it. I'll leave the link below if you guys are interested in it. I really like how it came out. Alrighty, thanks you guys.